I'll guide you through how to get free gifts on Temu without getting stuck in the never-ending loop of games and fake promo codes. If you're looking to finally claim products for zero cost, or you want to unlock the full welcome bonus designed for new users, and so you need to understand how to get a Temu free gift reliably, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and fastest method to get Temu gifts is the code search trick. This is the most reliable way to instantly activate the current free gift offer. Before you enter any code, open your Temu app and add 5 to 10 items you genuinely want to your wish list and your cart. This step is a hidden hack. Temu tends to offer items from your saved list as gifts, ensuring you get products you'll actually use, not random junk. Next, open the Temu app and tap the search bar at the top. Enter the latest free gift code FRQ483643. That is FRQ483643. When you hit search, it will take you to a special landing page that activates the offer. On the promotional page, you will be prompted to select your free items. Choose the products you want, which will show a price of €0 or $0. Note the total value of these gifts, as this will determine the final requirement. On to the most critical part. The gift is only awarded upon placing a qualifying order. The app will show a specific cash amount, for example, €40 or $50, that you must spend on other items. The goal here is to make a purchase you were going to make anyway and get the free items as a large bonus. The second method is the new user welcome bonus. This is a one-time opportunity designed specifically for first-time shoppers. If you are a first-time user, simply downloading the Temu app from the official store and registering an account automatically qualifies you for the welcome gift. Upon logging in, look for the banner that offers a gift and a bundle of high-value coupons. These coupons can be stacked for massive savings on your first purchase, achieving essentially the same result as a free item. Search for the new user promo code ACW548443. That is ACW548443. The third method is the in-app gaming strategy for free items without an upfront purchase. This method relies heavily on referrals and consistent effort to win. From the Temu app's homepage, tap the U icon at the bottom and then select Play and Earn. This opens a list of mini-games you can play to win. Choose a game and follow its tasks. For games like Farmland, the path to the prize is heavily weighted toward referring new users. This is why most people get stuck. If you have a large social following or many friends who haven't used the app, this is a viable path for genuinely free items. For more shopping freebies, check out the description below. Now that you've learned how to get a Temu free gift, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more shopping app video tutorials. Thanks for watching.